Hello everyone, so in this video, let's talk about a special array with x elements greater than equal to x. Okay, so let's talk about the problem statement. You are given an array nums of non-negative integers. You are given an array nums of non-negative integers. Nums is considered special if there exists a number x such that there are exactly x numbers in the nums that are greater than equal to x. Okay, now first, as you can see, this is an easy problem. It has less constraints, so you can do it in a very brute force way. But let's see again a nums, the array is called special if there exists a number x such that there are exactly x numbers in the nums that are greater than equal to x. So there exists a number such that there are exactly x numbers that are larger than that value. X does not need to be in the element. So which means that you have to somehow find out a value such that there are that much number of values of elements greater than that number. So it's pretty much simple because the number can be up to 1000. I have just do a very simple brute force. Fine. And if the value doesn't exist, print out minus 1. So what I've done is that the value can be obviously inside this. Why? Because I have to somehow find out values larger than. So I have to find out x such that x has values larger than that value. It's like greater than that equal to x, which means that if I go beyond like, the total values in x, then there will be no values, and that is bad. So which means that I can go up to like 1005. I just added some buffer also. So what I've done is that for every possible value of x, this is like the value of x, whether this makes the nums special, because they've also said that it is proven that nums only has unique value of x. So which means that if I find out one answer, that is the final answer. So what we have done is that we have to find out for a particular value of x how many values are greater than or equal to that value. So in the nums, I will find out in the nums array how many values are greater than the current x value, greater than equal to. So that will have incremented because I have to find out the count of values in nums that are greater than equal to x. So the value is greater than equal to x in nums. I have counted out here. Now that value should be equal to the value of x only because they're exactly equal to the value of x, which means that the value of x is this. So the total count should be equal to x only. If that satisfies the conditions, return the actual value of x. So I can make this like x only to make it more readable and understandable from the code. So this is x, and iterating over there, this is x, and this is x. So for every value of x, I'm checking how many values in nums are greater than equal to x, find out the total, that is this, and those values, number of count, should be equal to x only. If that is fine, then return x only. Okay, or else if you cannot find an answer, print out minus 1. Okay, that's a complete logic in code part. It's very simple brute force way. Okay, if you still have any doubts, you can mention in the comment box of this particular video. I will see you next time, coding, and bye.